Honestly, I wasn't sure a place called Demon Hunters was the best idea for a father-daughter day. It sounded dark, intense. Towers, hunters, demons. But she had been counting down to this trip for weeks. When we reached the main gates, I stopped walking. It wasn't just a theme park. It was scale. Massive stone arches, steel structures rising into the sky, glass reflecting the daylight. It looked real, not like decorations, but like a city built around a story. She held my hand tightly, not because she was scared, because she was excited. "Dad, look at that tower!" It was the drop tower, stretching almost into the clouds. The cabin slowly climbed upward, tiny against the structure. We said we'd start with something calmer. Instead, we ended up on the flying coaster, the one where you're strapped in face down like you're soaring. Her eyes were glowing. No hesitation. When the train moved, she laughed. When we dropped, she screamed. But it wasn't fear. It was joy. I could hear her through the wind, through the metal roar of the track, and I realized something. To her, this wasn't a dark place. It was a place about courage. After the rides, we walked to the central plaza. The massive throne of the Supreme Hunter dominated the skyline. People were lifted inside and then tilted outward, revealing the entire park below. We went up too. At the top, she got quiet. The wind was cool. Below us, roller coasters twisted through steel frameworks. People moved like tiny figures. Everything felt both enormous and small at the same time. "Dad, I'm not scared of anything." That hit harder than any drop. Sometimes we think theme parks are just about entertainment. But standing there next to her, I realized it's about something bigger. It's about facing something that looks intimidating and smiling anyway. As we left, the sun dipped behind the steel towers, casting long shadows across concrete and glass. The whole park looked cinematic. She was tired, but she was smiling. "Dad, this was the best day." And I knew she meant it, because today I didn't just see my daughter having fun, I saw her being brave.